Today, I'm making a quick and easy stewed shrimps that you can make in less than 15 minutes. But first, I gotta get my viral Red Chef pot ready. I have my shrimp seasoned with salt, pepper, and green seasoning. We're gonna saute some pimentos, some onions, and garlic. In this pot, the non-stick coating is absolutely amazing. And then we're gonna go ahead and add our shrimp in, and we're gonna let this cook probably for maybe 2 minutes on each side. Once that shrimp starts cooking, then we're going to go ahead and start adding our sauces. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of ketchup, a tablespoon of soy sauce, and a tablespoon of oyster sauce. Now, because I didn't burn the sugar, I'm using ketchup. Now, this is going to allow the ketchup to caramelize. Once it starts caramelizing, then you're going to add your water. And I'm going to add some sweet peppers, some green onions, and some green seasoning to finish it off. We're going to incorporate the last set of ingredients into our pot. And if you're wondering, yes, this is very similar to how I made my stew snapper. So I know some of you are going to say, oh, this is not how we do it in Trinidad. Well, I'm from Trinidad and this is how I do it.